Nick, and that was News 3's Carson Van Buskirk.
So I love trains.
That's
I have
pretty
loved
cool.
them since I was a kid. That is such a neat thing to see and just to hear the sound of that.
Oh my gosh,
very,
yeah.
very neat. And we had some pretty decent weather out there. Hopefully a lot of folks out and able to catch a glimpse of that on Saturday as it passed on through. Of course, we've been keeping an eye on what was Hurricane Ida, now downgraded this morning to a tropical storm. And I wanted to show you this. This is the flash flood watch that has been issued, and really where we expect the heaviest rain and the biggest impacts from Ida over the next few days. You'll see the track here is likely going to stay to the south and east of our region and likely move through parts of northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, and into central Tennessee. And most of the wet weather is going to be very close to this track, just barely brushing through some of our far southern counties of western Kentucky and northwest Tennessee. We've also got a stalled front making its way in from the north, so very muggy weather over the next couple of days, and each day will also bring a chance for some scattered showers and scattered storms. The best rain chances will be during the beginning of the week. By Wednesday, that starts to clear on out of here. In fact, some very cool weather for this time of year starts to make its way in. The humidity is also set to drop by the end of this week. A live view along the Benton Square this morning. We've got temperatures only back into the low to mid 70s. Just a sign that it is a muggy morning. 73 degrees currently in Benton. And there we have it. Tropical storm Ida now making its way northward. Lots of heavy rain moving through parts of Mississippi, and there's a stalled front just to our north along the I-70 corridor, say from about Effingham just to the north side of St. Louis. And yesterday, that's where we saw a lot of the scattered showers and storms very close to that boundary, and that's likely going to be the case once again today. I expect these to develop pretty quickly after sunrise this morning. By lunchtime, scattered showers, scattered storms, highest chances north of Route 13 across southern Illinois, Mount Vernon back over towards St. Louis along I-64, and then westward as well along down I-44 across parts of southern and southwest parts of Missouri. Even into the afternoon hours, you'll see a lot of the scattered showers and storms are along and north of Route 13. They fade away pretty quickly after sunset this evening, but here comes Ida, and notice the rain from Ida, Union City to Murray, Kentucky there, really the farthest north. We start to see some of that rainfall. That passes on by, and then still some scattered showers, scattered storms throughout the day on Tuesday. So where we see the scattered showers and storms today, we could see some locally heavy rainfall. So generally say from Carbondale to Marion to Harrisburg, areas to the north of that, I've put you in about a 1 to 2 inches over the next couple of days, though it is going to be scattered about. And notice the heaviest rain associated with Ida in some of our far southern counties. But track any of the scattered showers and storms with that Storm Track 3 app. Great tool to have handy if you've got outdoor plans the next few days. Once Ida passes on by, we get some cooler weather in here, and actually a pretty nice cool down in store for us for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Look at that. By Thursday morning, temperatures into the upper 50s, afternoon highs into the low 80s, and some very pleasant weather to wrap up the week. And just in time for a holiday weekend, Labor Day weekend coming up, 86 on Saturday, 88 on Sunday. And temperatures start to bounce back closer to 90 by the end of the weekend and into the first part of next week. But it has been so hot, so humid. A lot of us could use a little rain. We've got our fingers crossed for that maybe the next few days. But then we've got a break on the way.
All right. Thank you, Nick. Well, San Diego's